Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we'll break down Python basics into simple chunks with real practice questions you can try today. Python is a programming language that reads like English. It's perfect for beginners because the syntax is simple and forgiving. You'll use Python for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and automation. Major companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python daily. Think of it as teaching a computer to follow instructions in plain language. Start with variables, containers storing information like names or numbers. Python has data types: strings, text, integers, whole numbers, and floats, decimals. Practice: create a variable called name and set it to your name. Then practice adding numbers together. These foundations matter because every program builds on them. If statements let your code make decisions. If it's raining, bring an umbrella. Loops repeat actions automatically, saving you typing hundreds of lines. For loops, count through numbers, while loops run until conditions change. Practice question: write code that prints numbers 1 to 10. Then modify it to print only even numbers. These concepts unlock programming power. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Instead of writing the same code repeatedly, write it once in a function and call it whenever needed. Practice challenge: create a function that greets users by name, then call it 3 times with different names. Download our free practice questions PDF in the description for extra exercises. Hit subscribe for more AI and programming tutorials explained simply. Comment below, what will you build with Python first?